Galing kami ni Sawyer guys sa Walmart kasi nag-pick up kami ng aking in-order na lipstick. Na mga lipstick. Okay, you wanna eat? Okay, sure. So, itong mga lipstick na to guys ay pasalubong ko rin sa mga kapatid kong babae. Kasi nagustuhan nila yung lipstick na pinakita ko sa kanila noong nakarang araw. Ito siya guys. Ano siya? Maybelline New York. Yan. Superstation na ano na lipstick. Ito. Yan ba ito? Ayan, 5 yung binili ko. Yan. Isa. Ito pa. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 5. Parang ayaw ko ito na ano. Na lipstick. Ano bang kulay nito? Globe Trotter. Maganda siya guys kasi nasubukan ko na ito siya nung nakarang araw. Na lipstick. So yan 5. Kasi yung kapatid ko ay 6 kami 6 kami magkakapatid. 5 babae at saka 4 na isa at saka isang lalaki. 6 kami guys, nag-iisang lalaki lang yung panganay namin. Tapos 5 babae, include ako. 6 kami magkakapatid. So ito, yung mama ko gusto rin niya ng ganito isa. So bigyan ko siya ng ganito. Ngayon guys, dahil gutom na yung amo ko, magluluto ako ng bangus. Sinabawang bangus. So ayun yung amo ko. Don't open lagi like that! Don't. That's a salt. Put it back.
I taste it.
Huh?
I taste it.
Daddy's gonna get mad.
I taste it.
Okay, taste only. Okay. Oh, I think it's no good. I think it's no good. Bahala ka, oy. So, ayan guys, nagpakulo na ako ng tubig. Ilalagay ko na yung isda na bangus. Nilagyan ko na pala ito ng salt guys. Binabalo ko ng asin. Ingay mo dong! Para magkalasa siya. Takpan natin ulit. Lagyan natin guys ng magic sarap. Sarap mix pala. 2 ganito. Kasi yung sarap mix sa pamana, hindi siya gaano katapang kaysa sa ano sa... Yes! Okay. Kaysa sa magic sarap na brand. Yes! Huh? Okay. Ow! Wait ba? Tikman natin.
Mommy, 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 mommy. Sit back, hug. Sit back, kick. Sit back, hug. Sit back, kick.
Gusto ko maglagay ng pamintang buo sa aking sinabawang bangus. Yes! Ang kulit na naman si Sawyer.
What I eat, mommy?
Hmm?
Mommy, what do I eat?
Ha?
What do I eat?
Gonna wait, I'm still cooking.
What I eat?
Ha?
Maybe eat adobo.
There's no adobo. That's a fish soup.
Mommy, I eat that.
Akala ko guys, meron pa akong bok choy. Pero wala na. So, ang gagawin ko is, ito na lang cabbage ang ilalagay ko. Ito lang yung gulay na meron ako sa fridge. So, okay rin naman ito. May bok choy ako natira, kunti lang. Isang piraso lang. Yes! Huy! Naon ka na doon. Crack it open ka diha. Luto na guys ang sinabawang bangus. Kakain na kami ni Sawyer guys. Kain tayo guys. Kakain kami ni Sawyer. Hot? Good. Good.
I want some.
What?
Vegetables.
Which one?
Vegetables.
Fish?
Vegetables.
Huh?
Vegetables.
Vegetables? So you're eating vegetables.
Mommy, vegetables.
Mommy, vegetables. I like this one. I like cabbage.
I like this too. I like a baby one. Not this one.
Sarap. Yummy?
Water.
Water. So you're eating vegetables. Uy, you okay? What is your nose? No, oh my goodness. Yummy.
Mom, I can have this.
No, you can. Need the chocolate? Is one myself for you?
Stop.
Oh, sorry.
Mom.
Go little one.
Mom.
You like the cabbage?
No, stop. Sit to mommy.
You're welcome.
Mom, I'm done.
Okay.
Mom, let's go outside now.
I'm eating. I'm still eating.
Let's go outside now.
After I eat, we're gonna go upstairs. Oh, outside.
Outside in the backyard. Mom, I'm outside in the backyard. In the backyard?
Garage.
What?
Tapos na akong kumain guys. Sabaw na lang natira. Si Sawyer, hindi pa. Yummy?
Funny, masarap ako.
It's full now, your tummy?
Yeah.
After namin itong kumain, guys.
What's it?
Alabas kami sa garage dahil maghahanap ako ng ibebenta ko. Doon. Sa garage this coming Friday, Saturday ako mag-rehearsal, guys. Ay! Baho! Baho your hand! Baho! Go! Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's wash your hands now. Drink water first.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Drink water first!
Mommy, mommy.
Ano lagi? Hugas tayo ng pinggan, guys. After kumain. No, lagi! Stop it! Stop it!
No.
Go clean up your mess.
After
Clean up your mess. Clean up your mess. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs or outside, okay?
Me?
Nanggigigil na ako sa'yo, so.
Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside. You wanna go outside or no? Huh?
No.
You stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't ask me. Again, huh? Because I'm gonna go outside. You're staying here. You staying here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're staying here.
Leave me here.
I will leave you here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
I will leave you here. Because you're being a bad boy, so here. Are you a bad boy?
No.
Hmm?
No. Yes.
Why you're being a bad boy?
Mom, because I'm following.
Huh?
Because I'm following. You're orange.
You're angry? For what?
Because of you.
Why you're angry with me? Why you're angry?
Mommy,
Hmm?
I'm so much fun.
Huh?
I'm so much fun.
What?
I'm so much fun.
Have so much fun?
Yes. So yes. 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 Yes.
No, lagi. Get down now. No playing with this one. Get down. Get down. Nagigil na ako, so nagigil na ako.
Get down. Get down.
Get down.
Get down.
I'm really mad right now. Mommy is really mad right now.
Mommy.
Hmm. clean up now because we're gonna go outside. I think you don't wanna go outside with mommy, huh? No, lagi.
I don't see.
Soup ka diha ron.
I'm making water.
Amazing water. Bring it back. Puno ang aming dishwasher, guys. Kaya hugas kamay muna ako. Hugasan ko na lang sa kamay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Nakita ko na yung mga shoes, guys, na hindi namin nagagamit. So, ayan siya, oh. Yung mga shoes. Ayan. Meron pa sa taas, hindi ko muna binaba kasi nga, hindi pa ako tapos. Andito na, guys, yung nag-deliver ng dryer. So, ayan. Tinanggal na nila at packet na naman sila para ilagay yung bagong dryer. Tinanggal na kasi nila yung lumang dryer, guys. Binaba na nila muna. Tapos, sa kanila iakyat yung bago. Hiningal ako, guys. Sa hagdan. So, ito na yung bagong dryer, guys. Yan. Ano to? Mga styro pa. Mga styro pa, guys. Bago pa talaga siya. Yan. Maraming mailalagay na damit sa loob. Kasi malaki talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung how many pounds sa loob mailagay nito. Hindi ko lang talaga alam. Pero okay na siya. Yan. Ganda. Partner talaga sila. LG. So, ayan, guys, naayos ko na, oh. Yan. Ayan, makalat pa yung garage. Ayan, ito yung ibibenta ko. Yan. Ganun yung mga sapatos. Ayusin ko pa yan siya, guys. Hindi pa talaga ako tapos mag-ayos ng garage. So, ayan na, guys. Yan yung aking yard sale. Magulo pa, hindi pa tapos. Ayan. Tapos na yung pag-ayos ko niyan sa garage. Sa mga, mga storage container. Ito, okay na rin ito. Naayos na rin. I-blower ko lang ito dito guys para malinis na.